Hi everyone, Hassan here from V1 Tech giving you the final scoop on Project Mystic. This video will be going over the build and desk setup surrounding the project. I did a time-lapse build on this clean machine you can find in the video description, where I also give away 32 gigs of RAM. In the build we are rocking an i5 4690K, ASUS Strix 1060, 32 gigs of EVGA DDR3 2400MHz RAM, a Kingston 240GB SSD, and a 1TB WD Blue hard drive. This build was put together using hand-me-down hardware for my little brother. Considering he's going to be using this for school and doing some light 1080p gaming, I believe he's going to love it. The CPU cooler I went with is the Cryorig H5. This thing is not only a beast, but is one of the easiest coolers to install. Once I discovered this cooler, I've been using it in a number of projects. The case carrying all the hardware is an NZXT S340 in white. For the price, you just can't beat this case. It is incredibly easy to build in and can accommodate any level of build. To make this build unique, I added a few modded parts from our shop over at v1tech.com. I went with MSI Dragon and ROG designed parts in white with the accent of mirrored blue. Everything flows perfectly together from the front and top panels to the SSD covers, fan grills, backplate, and cable combs. These can be customized and made in all kinds of designs in a wide variety of colors to create any theme and allow you to make yours perfectly tailored to your liking. Make sure and use coupon code MYSTIC at checkout for 10% off your purchase today. Link is in the description. Now let's talk about the setup. It's lit, literally. We're using the Philips Hue Starter Kit as well as the Shape Light LED strip to set the mood. I also really like the Hue Go Lamp as it has an internal battery that allows it to be moved around for some nice lighting wherever you need it. This is great for adding easy creative lighting to shots without being tied to electrical outlets nearby. All these lights can be customized and configured through the Hue app on any smartphone. For the peripherals, I went with the Logitech G810 Orion Spectrum keyboard and Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum mouse. I've been using this mouse ever since I retired my Logitech G9 after 6 years, which is why I trust the quality and longevity of Logitech products. My favorite feature on the mouse is the infinity scroll feature. With one click you can change it from standard clicky scrolling to an infinite spin that allows you to go through spreadsheets and long web pages quickly. There are also weights at the bottom. I personally like a low DPI, top heavy mouse, so I load them all up against the front. So now that I talked about my favorite mouse, let me tell you why this is my new favorite keyboard. It's got the perfect frame to allow me to use my go-to Belkin wrist rest, something missing from the G110 with the weird ergonomic front I was previously using. The arm-round key switches are close enough to my favorite cherry brown switches, and it also includes a must-have volume scroll wheel. I'm using a simple black Logitech Mouse Pad with personally preferred soft cloth finish. The only peripheral not Logitech in the setup are my Hyperx Cloud 2 headset. I fell in love with this headset when trying it out from Jade's 2 cents at PDXland some time ago. I heard some of the comfort qualities came from some of the higher end Beyerdynamic headset, which makes sense for how amazingly comfortable these things are. They look super clean in black and gunmetal. For a place to put that headset, I found this Luxa squared aluminum stand for about $30 on Amazon that goes really well with the monitor that I have. So the monitor I got is a Samsung PLS 27-inch 1440p monitor. Being one of the most color accurate monitors at the time, it was going for like $1,200. I managed to snag it for a little over $400 as it was a display model and it has been perfect for mainly prosumer use that I use it for. I absolutely love the look and feel with the heavy base unit, corner to corner glass display, height adjust, and tilt functionality. On my left, I've also got a Galaxy S8 and a fast wireless charger. I could make a whole video on the phone itself, but I don't have that kind of time, and I have to say it's been a joy for me to use, and the charger is an added luxury that sits nice with any setup. Last but not least, in this setup I'm using a sit-stand Ikea Beakant desk. I love the clean all-white finish and size, plus the height adjustment is really smooth. For the price, it's a nice option and honestly the only one I could find locally. My chair of choice is a Steelcase Leap chair. It's a super ergonomic chair that goes for about $1,000 online. However, I managed to snag a few from a local office that was going under for less than a third of that. I also prefer the clean black look of these executive style chairs. I've heard a lot of great things about the Herman Miller competitor as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I plan on doing a lot more time-lapse build videos along with setup videos. If you want to make sure you see those, don't just subscribe, but join the notification squad. For weekly videos, I'm Hassan from V1 Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.